Hello. Welcome to Mawix.com tutorial videos. In this video, we will discuss how to choose the right content for publication, which is the part 2 of our Make Money Online course video series. By the way, this is Mawix at your service. I am the founder of Mawix.com website and YouTube channel. I will be your guide in this video, helping you how to choose the right content for publication with your new online business. So if this sounds good to you, then keep watching. So, how do we exactly choose the right content for publication? Before we dive in, I want to let you know that one of the valuable parts in succeeding online is choosing the right topics for your content publication as a business, so that you can promote to as many people as possible worldwide through internet marketing. And here are some I go through whenever getting started to a certain project. 1. Be specific. Specializing is valuable and interesting. To come up with effective content for publication, we need to target a specific category to start with. This means to talk about certain topics that interest specific people or are valuable to a specific audience. To build a specialized reputation for our brand, because being specialized is much more valuable rather than being general. Here are some examples. Let's say a doctor. When you think about it, who earns more? A general physician or a specialized one? And who would you call when your sink is broken? A plumber guy or a sink repair shop? Mine would be, of course, the sink repair shop, and my guess that would be yours, too, right? Because ideally from our perspective, we know that the sink repair shop is much more experienced in repairing sinks, rather than the general plumber guy. I'm not saying it is the right answer. I'm just pointing out that it is a common perspective for most people that being specialized is being an expert to a certain category within the niche. And we want to take that perspective as an advantage when choosing the right topics for our content, because it is much more valuable to most common readers or viewers, which most probably leads to success in web traffic. 2. Plan your content strategy, organizing bulk or series of related content. This section is how we start to come up with a content strategy for our content publication topics, which should fall into the following given criteria. What specific topics to start with and expand further? Does it have at least 1,100k related search terms on Google or 100k views on YouTube? Does it have products to promote? These questions are the criteria we require to validate our chosen niche. Organizing topics into a series of related content will result in targeting a specific audience for a period of time, which will build a good reputation for our brand, and then easier for us to migrate into another sort of category when necessary. Because our audience already trusts us and will surely welcome any other related topics later on when we decide to expand further. Gathering topics for content publication, project demo. We will start with researching topics on Google.com, and take note of what search terms are related to our niche with at least 1,100k monthly searches, or with 100k views on YouTube. Also the products we can promote with affiliate programs. Take note of them in any online notepad, because we will still need to validate each topic later on if it is worth writing, and also for us to generate the right title for the topic based on competition analysis. Maybe it's better to explain the idea with a demo, so let's do this. Let's say we already pre-filled our first criteria of how to choose a profitable niche with the following. Type of business, publisher website or blog with YouTube channel niche, affiliate marketing tools review website or blog with YouTube channel content strategy, content publication tools to start with, then just expand further. Topic requirement, must have at least 1,100k related search terms on Google or 100k views on YouTube. Now our goal is to fill up the next criteria of choosing the right content for publication, such as providing topics of content to write or publish on our blog and YouTube channel. We want to research based on several criteria as mentioned and prepare all these topics before starting our website or YouTube channel, so that we know if the niche is really worth starting with, such as if we have anything to talk about and share valuable content for. Also, if people really are searching for any related terms for the niche, then that's how the niche is validated. Again, we validate the niche we have chosen by the topics we have researched and prepared for have at least 1,100k related search terms on Google or 100k views on YouTube. Now, let's get into the dirty stuff. Ready? First, we need to open google.com via incognito mode. But if you don't live in the United States, I would suggest using a VPN with US IP. Why do we need US IP for doing our research? We want to search through US IP to target users in the United States, which means we want to come up with a result targeting US users, because advertisers pay more for them, and usually US people convert better than other countries due to the fact that they are much more stable when it comes to their earnings or careers. And depending on our niche, which is in our case we are promoting affiliate marketing tools, in which majority of US people are known to be business-minded, rather than the others, at least in my opinion. So to start with, we will use a free VPN for the sake of this demo. Download a browser extension called SetupNet https://setup.com and install it in your browser. Once installed, sign up for a free account and log in through the browser extension. You can learn more about how to set up a free account with SetupNet on their tutorial page here at https://myyw.troops-forget.org/api2/app/4672/. Once ready, we need to first enable your private browser to use the extension. To do this, right-click the extension in your regular browser mode and click on Manage Extension. Then select through right the Allow an Incognito section to enable the option. Once all these are done, you should now be able to use a United States region with built-in new IP with your activated extension with a logged-in free account, and now you can select Continue as free user and start navigating to google.com with incognito mode, or with private browser mode. Start with typing your focus key phrase, which is iWriter, and validate that it has potential for success when there are enough ads that we're showing as result. This just means that the key phrase is being paid by advertisers, and it is important because people are willing to pay for that search term to be on top of Google. So, ideally, if you create content about it, surely people would be willing to advertise to your content, and any network would be willing to pay for that advert to your website or your videos on YouTube. Search engine analysis partial searches. In this section, we will gather topics to generate content for our new online business. We will use all these given partial searches list where X is your focus keyword or key phrase. In this demo, we will not go over all the partial searches from the list, but we will do for at least one of those. But first of all, before we proceed, you might need to go over our article for this topic and get access to the partial searches list. I would suggest you pause this video and get back to it once your list is ready at your convenience to follow along. I will post the link in the description, or you can navigate to our blog at https://www.mawix.com and search the article, Content Publication Analysis, Make Money Online Course Chapter 1. Find the section with the screenshot as shown in your screen, as you can see under the Search Engine Analysis Partial Searches section of the article. So we will use the first one in the list, How to X with the iWriter focus key phrase. As you can see in the screenshot, we have found several search terms people are searching for which are related to our main key phrase iWriter, and these are the following: how to use iWriter, how does iWriter work, what is iWriter, can I replace writers? Furthermore, kindly do complete the research for the rest of the partial search terms from the list to gather 25 to 100 topics. Once we have completed our list of focus key phrases or topics, it's time to polish effective titles for our content based on competition analysis. Now, let's go over back to our incognito or private browser and search what our competitors use as their own titles that are on the first page of Google or YouTube. For example, let's use the key phrase, "How does iWriter work?" as a demo and search what other articles use as their title. When you find a similar goal of content or titles, except ads, then try to recreate the titles such as we either improve or make our own better than the others. If you don't find any similar content based on your goal, then use any title you think is best and eye-catching. For this demo, I might use the title based on the competition, "How does an AI writer work?" and recreate it into the following. How does an AI writer work? 5 tips to write content fast. How does an AI writer work? 3 best free AI writer. Then go over all the focus key phrase list and generate titles for your content. Once done, then you are ready to move to the next chapter of the course. Congrats! And if you enjoyed this video, please express your gratitude by subscribing to our channel or signing up to our newsletter to learn more and get the latest updates about our content via email. You can also visit our website at www.mawix.com and ask questions on our community forums at community.mawix.com. Until next time, thank you for watching this video about how to choose the right content for publication. As mentioned earlier, if you have any questions, submit your queries on our forum at community.mawix.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for updates. See you in the next video.